Hola, Jocelyn.
Hola. So today we're going to be making a neutral base ice cream. So, and then from this ice cream base, we're going to make 3 flavors, which is Stracciatella, Lavender,
Sea salt caramel.
the sea salt caramel. So we're going to go ahead and start. So we're going to have our heavy cream, which is 3 quarts of heavy cream, 1.5 quarts of whole milk, 2 pounds of ice cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
And all these ingredients is organic?
Yes, everything's organic. Also, we have our egg yolks. We will only be using the egg yolk, which is 36 egg yolks.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put all of the ingredients in the pot. Okay, so you want to put all of your heavy cream in.
¿Cuál es tu favorita nieve?
Sea salt and pistachio.
You not tried the new one?
The butter pecan? Yes, I did. It's really good. But my favorite one's still sea salt
and pistachio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna add all of our milk, and this is 1.5 quarts.
You mix all these ingredients, and for how long you need, like, boil it?
You need to, just as soon as it starts boiling, you're gonna temper it into the egg yolks. And then you're going to let it sit to room temperature. So don't put it directly in the fridge. You're gonna let it sit. So here goes our sugar.
How many grams of sugar?
It's 2 pounds.
2 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Which is 4.5 cups.
Oh.
They're all in there. Now we're gonna add our vanilla. We need 1 tablespoon.
Una. You shake, you eat espresso.
Okay, there we
I
go.
like the Tony. Mucho espresso.
Mucho espresso. Yeah. So this is our vanilla beans. Really good. Our vanilla. So now we're gonna turn it on the highest.
400.
Which is 400 Fahrenheit. Okay. We're gonna stir it up a little bit, and then we're gonna let that boil. While that boils, we're going to crack our egg yolks. So now we're gonna crack open all of our eggs. We're only going to be using our egg yolk, so we're gonna save the egg whites on the side.
Okay, we have this one. Huevos, huevos para acá, huevos para acá.
36. The mixture is already boiling. As soon as it starts boiling, you want to turn it off, and then you're going to start tempering it into your egg yolks. So mix that in slowly. You don't want to pour too much at a time, because then you will cook your egg yolks.
I can help you to move.
Okay,
I can help you. Too fast. Okay, that's right.
a little bit more.
Now
I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything in there. Mix it a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, now we're still, this is off, but we're gonna pour back in here before we put it back in the containers.
Done.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So, gonna mix it really good, get it all incorporated. Okay, now we're gonna pour it in.
And one neutral base has 3 ice creams, right?
3.
Okay.
3 of them. So this is a chinois. The strainer has bigger holes. The chinois has really small holes. It just lets the ice cream or any liquid go through without any egg or anything that you have in there. one. Okay, so you're done. You're gonna put this in the fridge right after it cools off. You do not want to put it directly on the fridge because that would make it curdle a little bit from the top. So we're just gonna let it cool off to room temperature, and then we're gonna churn it. So that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and churn our ice cream. We're gonna be making the sea salt caramel, and this has been sitting in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. You just want to make sure it's really cold. Okay, so we have our plain base. We're just going to be using 1/3 of the mix. So we're going to throw it in the machine.
If you don't have machine at home, why do you recommend?
So if you don't have a machine at home, you can do it with ice,
The ice
and
okay.
salt. But it's better if you buy a machine, you know. And it's quicker too. It only lasts 15 minutes on here. So we're gonna put it on there for 15 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna put the lid and it's gonna start mixing.
And wait for 50 minutes?
Yes, you can just leave it on there. If you have anything else to do, just put your timer on, and this is gonna be turning. Okay, so our ice cream is almost ready. So you don't want it to be too hard. You want it a little bit soft. So we're gonna turn it off, and then this is how you want it. You see, it's still really soft. You don't want it any softer than this.
Oh,
So it can still hold, but it's soft. You don't want to mix it too much, because when you mix too much, you separate the fat, and then that makes it just have like a little bit of how can I say it? Like a little bit of crumbles, which you don't want that. You want it really soft and creamy. So we're gonna add our caramel to this one. Okay, and you can see the consistency of it. It's really soft.
Delicioso.
So now we're gonna add.
And you can make a lot of different flavors, right? With this base?
Yeah, so with this base, we picked the caramel, the lavender, and then some of the
Stracciatella. You can make strawberry too?
Yeah, you can make strawberry on here. If you like Oreo, you can add Oreos, pecans. So it depends on the flavor that you like. We're gonna add a little bit more.
I can add a little bit more. You can bring me the spatula? The other one. You need this.
There you go.
Thank you. I can add a little bit of and that's good to go.
Okay, then I'm going to make our second one. This one's going to be the lavender.
And the lavender oil, they need use a little bit, right, Jocelyn?
Yeah, you just need a little bit. So you're gonna start with a few drops at a time, and then you wanna add, yes, so it's an oil. So you're just gonna grab a little toothpick if you have one, and then you're gonna do a little couple drops in there. 2, 3, 4. Then you can,
You smell it
with your
in my-
same little toothpick, you can mix it around.
And they taste very good. They
Yes.
taste like delicioso.
So I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Oh.
I'm gonna add a little bit more ice cream and do the same thing.
And right now for the summer,
Couple drops. 2,
there's
3.
refresh.
And then I'm gonna mix. Also, you can add color to this. We don't like to add any color to any of our ice cream, but you can add color if you wish to.
Lavender.
Yeah, you can add like a little lavender color.
Okay. Está listo para la fridge.
Okay, now I'm gonna do our last flavor. That one's gonna be stracciatella.
The stracciatella is the last, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me take this one because you know wants to another flavor and
It's 62%
nieve para
dark
allá.
chocolate. And we just cut it a little bit into pieces. And we're just gonna add a little bit. Put it in our mix.
That's at 62%, Jocelyn?
Yes.
Why you not use milk chocolate?
We like our dark chocolate. It just balances out the flavor in these. You're gonna mix it a little bit. You don't wanna mix it too much. Now you can mix again.
You want more?
Yes. Can I get a little bit more chocolate?
Sure. How many you need?
A little bit.
Little bit.
Okay. Thank you. So that's it. Our ice cream is done. We're just gonna put it back in the fridge for about 2 hours. I forgot to try it, but you always try your ice cream.
Vamos a hacer una banana split con esto.
Oh yeah.
Let's go to make a banana split and you can enjoy.